Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Wix Studio website to a template and export it as a zip file. This is incredibly useful if you want to reuse your site design for future projects, share it with clients, or simply keep a backup of your hard work. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log in to your Wix account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look for the website or project drop-down menu at the top of your screen and click on it. This menu gives you quick access to all the sites and projects you're currently managing. When you click on that drop-down, a list of all your websites and projects will appear. From this list, you'll want to click on Go to All Sites. This takes you to a more comprehensive view where you can manage everything related to your sites, including templates, which is exactly what we need for this process. Once you're on the All Sites page, look over to the left side menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Templates. Click on it to start the template export process. The menu will expand, revealing additional options. From the expanded menu, click on your templates. This section is where all your custom templates are stored and managed. On the Your Templates page, you'll see a button that says Plus Create Template. Click on it and you'll be given a couple of options. Choose Start from an existing website. Now, if you're looking to export Wix templates, you can simply create a website, choose the template you wish to export, and follow this exact procedure. Once you've selected the website template you want to export, click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a template name. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After entering the name, click on Create Template. Wix will now process your website and convert it into a template format. This might take a moment depending on the size and complexity of your site, so be patient while the system works through it. Once your website template is successfully created and listed in your templates library, locate the three-dot icon next to your newly created template. Click on it, and a small options window will appear. From these options, choose Download Shareable File. This action will initiate the download process, and your website will start downloading in zip format directly to your device. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Wix Studio website into a template and exported it as a zip file. This file can now be shared, backed up, or reused whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.